Welcome to the fascinating world of woodworking, where creativity meets craftsmanship. This ancient art form has evolved over centuries, transforming raw materials into stunning and functional pieces. Whether you're a seasoned artisan or a curious beginner, woodworking offers endless possibilities for expression and innovation. The beauty of woodworking lies in its versatility. It allows individuals to create everything from intricate furniture to simple home decor items. As you embark on your woodworking journey, you'll discover the joy of working with your hands and the satisfaction that comes from bringing ideas to life. In recent years, there's been a growing emphasis on sustainability within the woodworking community. Many artisans are turning to scrap wood as a primary resource, finding ways to repurpose leftover materials from larger projects. This not only reduces waste, but also encourages creativity, as scrap wood often presents unique challenges and opportunities. By embracing sustainable practices, woodworkers can make a positive impact on the environment while still achieving their artistic vision. As you explore this craft, you'll learn about various techniques, tools, and marketing strategies that can help you turn your passion into a profitable venture, all while contributing to a more sustainable future. If you've enjoyed this journey into the world of woodworking, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content. By hitting that like button, you not only show your support, but also help us reach a wider audience who shares a passion for crafting. Don't forget to share this video with friends and fellow woodworking enthusiasts. Your recommendations mean the world to us. Stay tuned until the end for some bonus tips and insights that can elevate your woodworking skills. We appreciate your engagement and can't wait to explore this creative journey together with you. Woodworking and scrap wood. Woodworking is an age-old craft that has evolved significantly over time, with many artisans exploring innovative ways to utilize materials efficiently. One of the most sustainable practices within this realm is the use of scrap wood. By repurposing leftover wood from larger projects, woodworkers can create valuable products while minimizing waste. This not only contributes to environmental sustainability, but also opens up new avenues for profit. Benefits of using scrap wood. Using scrap wood in woodworking offers several advantages. Firstly, it reduces material costs significantly, as scrap wood is often available at little to no expense. This cost efficiency allows artisans to allocate resources to other aspects of their business, such as tools, marketing, or skilled labor. Additionally, working with scrap wood fosters creativity, as artisans must think outside the box to transform seemingly unusable pieces into marketable products. Woodworking techniques for scrap wood. To maximize the potential of scrap wood, woodworkers must employ various techniques tailored to the unique qualities of each piece. This might include methods such as joinery, carving, or finishing, which can enhance the aesthetic appeal and durability of the final product. Mastering these techniques not only improves craftsmanship, but also expands the range of items that can be produced, ultimately increasing profitability. Starting small in woodworking. For those new to woodworking, starting small is often the best approach. By focusing on simple projects that utilize scrap wood, beginners can hone their skills without a significant financial investment. This gradual progression allows artisans to build confidence and experience, paving the way for more complex creations as they become proficient in their techniques. Scaling up in woodworking. As woodworkers gain experience and confidence, they can begin to scale up their operations. This might involve expanding their workspace, investing in more advanced tools, or diversifying their product range. By gradually increasing the scope of their projects, artisans can tap into larger markets and significantly boost their revenue potential. Scaling up also allows for the incorporation of more sophisticated woodworking techniques, further enhancing the quality of the final products. Profitability in woodworking. Profitability in woodworking hinges on various factors, including the quality of craftsmanship, the efficiency of production processes, and effective marketing strategies. Woodworkers who can produce high-quality items quickly and efficiently are more likely to see a positive return on their investment. Understanding the market demand for specific products can also guide artisans in selecting which items to focus on, ensuring profitability. Revenue streams from scrap wood projects. Artisans can create multiple revenue streams by diversifying their product offerings. For instance, they might produce furniture, decorative pieces, or functional items like storage solutions. By tapping into different markets, woodworkers can mitigate risks associated with fluctuating demand for specific products. This diversification not only increases revenue, but also enhances the overall stability of the business. Marketing strategies for woodworkers. Effective marketing is crucial for any woodworking business, particularly for those working with scrap wood. Artisans can leverage social media platforms, online marketplaces, and local craft fairs to showcase their unique products. By telling the story behind their use of scrap wood, they can appeal to environmentally conscious consumers, creating a niche market that values sustainability. Building a brand identity. Establishing a strong brand identity is essential for differentiating oneself in the woodworking market. Artisans should focus on creating a cohesive image that reflects their craftsmanship and commitment to sustainability. This can be achieved through consistent branding across all marketing materials, from packaging to online presence. A recognizable brand can significantly enhance customer loyalty and drive repeat business. Networking in the woodworking community. Networking within the woodworking community can provide valuable opportunities for collaboration and growth. By connecting with other artisans, suppliers, and potential customers, woodworkers can gain insights into industry trends, share best practices, and explore joint ventures. The future of scrap wood woodworking. The future of woodworking, particularly in the realm of scrap wood, is promising. As consumers become increasingly aware of sustainability issues, the demand for eco-friendly products is likely to grow. By capitalizing on this trend, artisans who master the art of transforming scrap wood into beautiful, functional items can not only achieve financial success, but also contribute positively to the environment. Embracing innovation, honing skills, and effectively marketing their products will ensure that woodworkers thrive in this evolving landscape. Thank you for watching our video. We truly appreciate your time and interest in our woodworking journey. If you found the content valuable, we'd love for you to subscribe to our channel so you can stay updated with our latest projects and tips. Don't forget to hit the like button to show your support, as it helps us reach more woodworking enthusiasts like you. Sharing this video with friends and fellow crafters also helps build our community, and we're grateful for every share. Your engagement means so much to us, and we look forward to bringing you more inspiring content in the future.